Hello and welcome. Today we'll be looking at how you can post content on your web page by using either the classic or the block editor. We'll also be going through how you can customize your website further by changing the theme or adding some plugins. So let's get started right away. Okay, before you log in, make sure that the XAMPP application is running. It is. So let's log in. This is a website I created last time for demonstration here. So my login details are already saved in my browser. I log in straight away. This dashboard, this is the interface that welcomes you to WordPress every time you log in. So from here we go straight to posts so that we can add a new post. We can do that by going to post here and clicking on add new, or you can just go to new and click post. Okay, this is the block editor interface. This is a modern editor. There is a previous one, the classic editor, that is still being used. We soon look at it. So from here on the left side, you can see stuff here like all posts, add new categories and tags and stuff like that. This is what appears on your website. This is the title of any post you are making, and this is where you add content like text or images to your post. Let's quickly add a text. This is a Latin I copied from somewhere, don't know the meaning, but I'm assuming this is a text you wanted to ask. This is a text. Let's just make this the title. This is the title of the text. This is the title of the text, and this is the text you are going to add. So let's quickly preview this. Okay, this is what it looks like on your website. Okay, so this is basically how to add text to a web page. Now, going back, you can see from here, you can see stuff here like this is for saved to draft. You can preview or whatever you're working on from this tab. This is the publish panel. Once you hit on this publish tab, your post will go live. Okay, these are the block your cursor is on is a paragraph, so you can add new blocks. You can add new blocks by either going here to add a paragraph or an image or whatever, a new heading, whatever you want to add, you can add from here. So we can say our new heading is now we can change, because the first heading here is the H1 heading, which is the biggest heading in the post. So you can make this H2 or H3 or H4 depending on what you want. So this is basically that. So on this side, on the right side of the panel, you will see the visibility which you can change if you want to limit your post to a private audience or even a password protected audience that you have to get a password before they can view your post. You can do that here. And also you can categorize your post further. WordPress normally comes with this uncategorized category, but you can add more category. You can just add more category to file your post better. You can say this post is for sports, so here you add this post category and you click add, and it will be highlighted here. You can just uncheck this and leave this post as a sports post. You can also add tags to streamline the filing even further. You can add it. This post is for football, for example. Okay. So here is where you add featured image. We soon come to this. I'll explain in details further. The except, a kind of a group of words you use to make your post more appealing to the audience out there. You don't want the Google machine to copy any part of your post and paste it on the Google machine. So you want a streamlined or a very specific wording for your post. This is where you add it. You can make it as long as you want, but it's optional if you want. So these are basically that. I don't want to go into details here. So this is the block editor interface. Let's quickly take a look at the other interface, the classic editor.